Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting the right cut, 1-to-1. 5 kilogram pork loin or shoulder, depending on tenderness you want. Once you have the meat, thaw it in the fridge and pat it dry to promote browning. Make sure to season with salt and pepper and any aromatics at least 30 minutes before cooking. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees C or heat a heavy skillet to medium-high, so when you start searing you already have proper surface temperature and minimal delay. You now focus on browning and controlled roasting. Sear the pork in hot oil for 2 to 3 minutes per side to build a flavorful crust, because Maillard reaction gives texture and depth. Once seared, move the meat to the oven set at 180 degrees C and insert a probe thermometer. Roast until the internal temperature reaches 63 degrees C for medium, making sure to baste with pan juices every 10 to 15 minutes to keep the surface moist. If you finish by letting the pork rest, tented for 10 to 15 minutes so juices redistribute and cutting fluid loss. Then slice against the grain for maximum tenderness and serve with pan sauce or your favorite sides. Make sure to cool and refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours at around 4 degrees C. If you find the center undercooked, return it to the oven until it reaches the safe internal temperature. If the meat is dry, salvage it by shredding and mixing with a moist sauce to restore palatability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.